how to redeem Uber gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can redeem a gift card on Uber, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to redeem a gift card on Uber, it's actually very simple. All you have to do is just make sure to go ahead and first of all launch the Uber application here. Once you launch the Uber app, you're gonna see this type of interface where you just have to tap the account option from the bottom right of the screen. Then over here you'll find the wallet option. Just tap the wallet button there, and over there you can see add payment method. Tap on add payment method, and inside add payment method you'll find this option called gift card. Make sure to tap on gift card and make sure that you enter your gift card code correctly over here. And once you've made sure that you've entered the gift card code, you can just tap the save option. Next time whenever you're paying for the ride, it will automatically pay from that gift card. So this way you'll be able to go ahead and then redeem your Uber gift card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.